Pollution. Pollution is destroying our planet. There is noise pollution, which can result in hearing problems. And then there's bad gas pollution, smoke, which comes from cars, factories, planes, and garbage. It can result in something really bad for us. We can have sneezing, fever, and problems in our lungs. Then there's pollution in the water. Garbage and trash thrown by people and factories and industries in the sea is killing the sea world and all the living under the water. And when you swim in this water, it results in bad stomach and other diseases as well.